howdy, it's the boss buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Buzz buddy! American Wisteria. For the pollinators, it's a busy pizzeria. Oh, mamma mia, say it with me, mamma mia. This plant has many bloom colors, white, purple, blue, violet, and pink. And when you see it, you'll do more than just blink. This plant blooms from May to June. Don't worry, you don't need to prune this plant. It's a creeper. Don't worry, it won't grow up your wall and be a peeper. This plant likes sun or shade, and it needs enough water to bathe. Okay, that's an exaggeration, but that's how this joke's made. My point is, this plant likes a lot of water. Huggy poopy tater tartar. American Wisteria. For the pollinators, it's a busy pizzeria. Oh, mamma mia. Say it with me, mamma mia. Wisteria Frutescens is for your food, the ultimate essence. You see, the pollinators do pollination, and that helps us grow crops. Maybe as fast as the stink on our socks. And this plant gives them food, and it also smells so good. And this plant gets butterflies and flocks. These caterpillars love this plant because it's just so giant, which means tons of leaves and shelter. Remember not to plant the Japanese or Chinese wisteria as they hurt the pollinators. So plant the native. American Wisteria. For the pollinators, it's a busy pizzeria. Oh, mamma mia, say it with me. Mamma mia.